Hey guys, Jason Roberts with REI Blueprint. I wanted to shoot a quick video because I know a lot of you guys have seen a lot of my videos so far, and I know some of you probably have some doubts, like, is this guy for real? Is he telling the truth? Can this stuff really happen? And so I just wanted to address a couple of those things because I realize that people feel that way. I know I feel that way sometimes when I see things. I've paid a lot of money for some really good training, and I've spent money on stuff that I wish I hadn't done. So I totally get it. I totally understand. If you're anything like me, you need to see some proof. So one thing that I wanted to say right off the bat is I'm going to type my name, my personal name, right in the Facebook comments so you can look up my personal profile. I'm here from Missouri. I've been an entrepreneur for real estate entrepreneur for that matter, for 18 years. You can look me up. You can see my family. You can see my friends. You can see me here in Missouri and see that I'm a real person. I'm not some out-of-state company coming in here promising a bunch of things and then going to go hide somewhere else. I'm right here from Missouri. You can see where I live. You can see me on Facebook. You can see my connections and see that what I'm really teaching is real. I also showed you a copy of my tax returns on a couple videos ago so that you can see that we have really made millions of dollars in real estate investing, and I'll bring those with me next week. So register for our event, come see and look at it yourself and then make a decision. You're not going to get any pressure from me. You can look on our business Facebook page, our REI Blueprint page. We're probably one of the only real estate companies that have an all 5-star rating from every single person who's come to one of our events, who's interacted with us, who's done business with us. Every single person rated us a 5-star. I think that speaks to something, right? And I know some of you are probably thinking, well, that's great, but I can't do this. Like, it's great that it worked for them, or it's great that it worked for Jason and he had success, but I've got a full-time job, I've got kids, I've got all this, other stuff, what I call excuses. But they're real, right? I mean, they're things that feel real to you. And so I don't want you to just hear my story. I would encourage you to click on some of the testimonial videos that are on the page as well and see other people like me, other people like you that are from all over the country that had a full-time job in IT, that worked 60 hours a week, and their spouse did too, and they had 3 kids. And we were able to show them a way in 5 or 10 hours a week that they could build a business that created them more income than they were making at their full-time job. And through some coaching and through a ton of their own work, were able to create a job elimination plan and be out of their job in less than 2 years, which none of them thought was possible, and it's become a reality. So I really want to encourage you guys, register below, come meet me in person. It's going to be me, it's going to be my partner Rachel. We're not some TV personality that says, hey, come see us, and then we're not even really there. It's us teaching what we do here in Missouri with our real deals that you can see with your own eyes. I'm going to bring all my HUDs so that you can see millions of dollars worth of profits from deals that I've closed here in St. Louis. And the bottom line is, you're never going to know if it's real or not unless you come and see it for yourself. So I'd strongly encourage you to register. We are almost at capacity. So do it today. Click the link below. Totally free. Hope to meet you there. Come up, shake my hand, say hi, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Take care.